Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the third problem from the Codechef Starters 211. The problem statement is stated as wolf down. Let's go through what it says as. There is a forest which has n animals living in it, and each animal is either a wolf or a bird. We know that every animal live on a straight line, that is starting from position 1 to n, where n is the total number of animals. We are given a binary string s of length n, where 0 depicts that it is a bird and 1 depicts it is a wolf. It is also said that a wolf present at position x can eat a bird at position x plus 1, and we need to basically calculate how many birds in the forest are safe. Let's see some test cases to understand the question better. In this, we are given that there are 3 indexes 1, 2, 3, as the indexing starts from 1. The string given to us is 100. 1 depicts the wolf and 0 depicts the bird. In this case, the wolf is present at index 1. So the bird which it can eat is directly adjacent to the right side of it, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this wolf can eat the bird present at position 2. Do we have a bird here? Yes, we do have. So basically it eats it and captures the index 2. Now the wolf is at position 2. What are the birds that it can eat is just adjacent to the right of it, that is 3. Do we have a bird at right hand side at index 3? Yes, we do have. So the wolf eats it as well, and hence we can say that there are no more strings or characters left, and in this case the number of birds that are safe is 0. Let's go through one more test case. In this we are given the string 0110, and here we can say that there are multiple wolves present. One is at index 2, another is at index 3. The birds that it can eat is at 2 plus 1 and at 3 plus 1, the adjacent ones, and the final values we get is 3 and 4. So can this wolf present at index 2 eat the bird present at 3? Is there a bird present? Obviously no. So this wolf cannot move on the right hand side. So this one will not eat anybody and will remain at the same index position. The second wolf, which is at position 3, can it eat a bird present at position 4? Yes, it can. So can I say that it has eaten this bird and has captured the position 4? The index is now 4, and hence there are no more characters left in the string. So the number of birds in this case safe are 1. We know that the wolf cannot move on the left hand side because the question clearly stated that the wolf present at x can only go to x plus 1 and none other than this. It can go anywhere else. Let's go through one more test case now. In this, we are also given multiple wolves. One is present at index 3, one is present at index 5. The birds it can eat is the adjacent right side of it, which is 3 plus 1 and 4 plus 1, that is 4 and 6. So at 4 and 6, do we have a bird present for both the wolves? Yes, we do have. So it will eat them and will capture the indexes as well. So now the wolf present at index 3 will come to 4, and one which is present at index 5 will come to 5, and hence it will start finding the next adjacent ones. Since there is no more characters who has indexing 5 or 6, or at 5 and 6 there is no wolves or no birds present, so the wolves cannot eat anybody right now, and hence in this case we can say that the number of birds present are 2, that is to the left hand side of it. Now do we observe a pattern in these 3 cases, that we know that a wolf can only go to the right hand side and eat a bird. That means if I write a test case 01 and 01, can I say that this one can eat any bird present on the right hand side of it, and this wolf can eat any bird present on the right hand side of it? Yes, it can. But can any wolf go to the left hand side and eat a bird? Obviously no. So can I say that unless a bird encounters the first sheep, that means unless the bird encounters the first wolf, this bird will definitely be safe. Now in this case, let's say if there are hundreds of birds behind a single wolf, can I say that all the birds will be safe? Obviously we can say it. But if there are hundreds of zeros or birds after a wolf, none of them will be safe because the wolves can eat them. So can I say that every bird present behind the first wolf they encounter, so every bird behind the first wolf will be always safe. So if we go through this approach, can I say that there is only 1 0 which is present before encountering the first wolf? So the number of safe birds are 1, and in this case there are 2 of them. What if all of them what if all the animals in the forest are wolves? Obviously there is no birds here, so the safe count will be 0. And if all the animals present in the forest are birds, then the safe count will be obviously the number of birds, that is n, which is 3 here. In this way we can solve this problem. Thank you.